David with Contact Window Cleaning. I want to show you guys how to take off screens that come out from the inside. What you want to do is open the window up a few inches, pull the tabs to the inside, and pull the window in. Be sure that if you're working with shutters, that you have enough space. Sometimes the people that install the shutters will not leave enough space, so be mindful of that. You're going to find tabs on the screen. You want to turn those inside so that the screen will release, and then you might have to jiggle the screen to get it out. And once you have the screen out, simply bring it up from the top, set it to the side. Make sure that the clips are clipped. For example, on this side. Of course, we chose a window that the clip doesn't want to go back in. Let's see. So sometimes you might have to give it a little push, but you want to just push not too hard, but just try to lock it back in. The reason you want to do that is because whenever you clean the window on the outside, you don't want to push the window and have it fall in. And then always lock your window. And to put it to the screen back in, simply the reverse process. Lift it up a few inches, bring it in. Sometimes you're going to have to hold this if there's not a shutter there to hold it for you. Drop the screen in. You'll see the screen track at the bottom. Once you have it on the bottom, make sure that these tabs are to where you can put the screen back in. Fold the tabs up to lock the screen in place. Shut the window. Lock it. And that's how you install a screen and take out a screen that comes out from the inside. This is Dave with Contact Window Cleaning. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.